Exercise number 20. Ready, start. Thus, in those cases where a man who lied with a woman for a long time, and even though they may not have undergone legal necessities of a valid marriage, should be made liable to pay the woman maintenance if he deserts her staff. The man should not be allowed to benefit from the legal loopholes by enjoying the advantages of a de facto marriage without undertaking the duties and obligations staff. Any other interpretation would lead the woman to vagrancy and destitution, which the provision of maintenance in section 125 is meant to prevent. Full stop. Paragraph. The Committee on Reforms of Criminal Justice System, headed by Dr. Justice So-and-so, in its report of 2003, opined that evidence regarding a man and woman living together for a reasonably long period should be sufficient to draw the presumption that the marriage was performed according to the customary rights of the parties' staff. Thus, it recommended that the word wife in section 125 CRPC should be amended. Stop. Paragraph. The Constitution Bench of this court in Muhammad Ahmad Khan versus Shah Bano Begum and others 1985 within bracket 2 RCR within bracket criminal 136, considering the provision of section 125 of the 1973 code, opined that the said provision is truly secular in character and is different from the personal law of the parties' staff. The court further held that such provisions are essentially of a prophylactic character and cut across the barriers of religion staff. The court further held that the liability imposed by section 125 to maintain close relatives who are indigent is founded upon the individual's obligation to the society to prevent vagrancy and destitution. Stop. Paragraph. In a subsequent decision, this court held that the standard of proof of marriage in a section stopped. The learned judges explained the reason for the aforesaid finding by holding that an order passed in an application under section 125 does not really determine the rights and obligations of parties, as the section is enacted with a view to provide a summary remedy to neglected wives to obtain maintenance staff. The learned judges held that maintenance cannot be denied where there was some evidence on which conclusion of living together could be reached. Stop. Paragraph. However, striking a different note, in other cases, a two-judge bench of this court held that an attempt to exclude altogether personal law of the parties in proceedings under section 125 is improper. Stop. The learned judges also held that the expression wife in section 125 of the code should be interpreted to mean only a legally wedded wife. Stop.